You know, but what you cooking, man?
What's up? I'm Izzy.
I'm Jake.
And welcome to SigEp. Come with me.
SigEp Chapter House, this is our living room right here. This is where we watch games, we do homework together, and really spend time together.
When you first walk into our chapter house, the first thing you'll see on your left is our founders composite, when we got started here at Truman State in 1981, along with our most recent composite of our 63 active members.
If you look over here, here's some of the awards we won over the last couple of years. We won a majority, including Chapter of the Year, Highest GPA, and Outstanding Community Service.
What's up, everybody? My name's Theo. I'm the president of SigEp here. We're going to take a look at this board right here. Everyone's name on here is an alumni that has paid for our $1.1 million chapter house. We talked about it earlier. It was built in 2018. It sleeps 19 people, and we like to think it's the nicest house in Kirksville.
This is our classroom. If you don't want to go to the library, there's always a spot for you here. Come and just get your assignment done. We also have a study bubble.
We have 2 private study bubbles where you can meet with groups for your classes and not be distracted as much. Each one comes with a smaller whiteboard, and we also have a printer, which is awesome for when, so that you don't have to go to the library. In honor of our late chapter advisor, Dr. Roger Festa, we started in 2018 a philanthropy called Festa's Fall Festival, where we raise money for the Oral Cancer Research Foundation.
This is one of the rooms on the first floor. It also comes with a suite style bathroom.
This is what a typical room looks like upstairs.
Come check out our sick basement.
We hope you guys enjoyed this tour of the SigEp Chapter House. If you're interested, Rush starts on February 11th, and there's a link in the description below.